Hi, I'm Teresa Tapp, and today's tip from my home to your home is how to exercise your skin, and it's all in this brush. I know that sounds strange, but we exercise our muscles with movement, but how do you exercise the skin? If you dry brush it, you can tighten and tone your skin so you don't have loose, saggy skin or get those bruises regardless of age. What you do is you just take a dry brush, natural fiber, okay? You can find it at most health food stores, and you brush the skin. I start with my palm, the back, and work my way up, long strokes. Now remember, don't scrub, it's strokes. And what a lot of people don't realize is that our skin is an elimination organ. And so when you're brushing, you're eliminating toxins and toxicity and all those chemical calories that we consume. Brush the skin and help your body help itself eliminate. But when you brush, you might get a little pink. That's blood flow coming to the skin, which carries nutrients, which the cells need to tighten and tone and rebuild new cells. And as you eliminate, you're helping your skin do its function to eliminate. You're also exfoliating. So if you have any ashing, you will glow.